Hi guys, today we're going to replace OEM bulbs in Sun Visor light in 2020 Toyota RAV4. We'll be using the LED bulbs from Auxito. They should be very bright. As you can see, there are lots of LED elements, and these bulbs, they fit sockets 168, 194, 2825, etc. Mainly used for map light, dome light, and so on. Well, in our case, they should work perfectly. So before we begin, I will show you how to remove the light assembly. So you need to know that there is a latch on the left side of each light. So there is a latch on this one and latch right here. To remove them, you can use credit card. Start prying from the bottom and kind of go towards the left side. This way you should be able to completely remove the whole assembly. And as you can see, this is the OEM bulb, and this is the latch, and yes, the latch that we were talking about. Just pull the bulb out. This is the OEM bulb. And the new LED. You have to observe the polarity. So right now, as you can see, it's not working. If it doesn't, just turn it around. And now it works. Alright, so this is our LED, nice white, bright color, and our yellow OEM light. Right now I will show you the difference in the dark area. Let's see how LED looks versus the OEM. And this is the difference. Again, as we said, LED is a lot brighter opposed to OEM. I think it looks great. If you guys like this product, the link will be in the description.